Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the perfect eyes filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, here in trending section, remove this image on the second row. This one. This is the filter. Okay. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to home screen and go to search, and here search for pure eyes filter. Okay, you will see videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect icon. It's in yellow. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see this record button. Just tap there to try the filter. Likewise, okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from search, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Again you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.